grow this plant. The name of this plant or green leaf is bird nest Anthurium, and I grew this from seed only, gave by my sister, and I'm going to show you how it is grown easily from the seed itself. And I like this green leaf a lot because it is heat resistant and can grow anywhere. It can be in cold area or hot area. Like currently I'm staying in very hot area, the hot place, in a hot place. So yeah, we don't need special care for this leaf, even though it looks really great. This seed is not the final in its formation. Okay, I'll show you how the matured seed looks. It looks very different and it looks like pomegranate. Yeah, I'll show you how it looks after it's matured. See, it looks very different and very unique. When I first saw, I was kind of, I don't know, I couldn't believe that this is how it becomes. And now I'm going to put this seed, even inside that flesh we will find a seed like chili seeds, and I'll spread like this. Very easy. It's not complicated at all to grow these seeds into seedling. I just put sand soil and also coco peat. You can put any type of soil. If you have sand soil, that will be much better because of proper drainage system, or while watering and all, and also while replacing the pot and all for potting. And also it's better to use sand soil in any type of seedlings or seeds. I'm just using common soil that is there available. We don't need to put a special soil, Apply the water. And after 1 month, it came out like this, okay? After 1 month. And I just placed the seed in a shaded area, and this is not a final result. It will come out eventually. But yeah, thank you for watching.